special lomo tonkatsu. Yummy, yummy, yummy. For breakfast, lunch, dinner, and baon. Patuin na natin to guys. Ngayon guys, magluto naman tayo ng lomo. Yung special part ng baboy. Ipa-fry natin to parang lomo tonkatsu. Okay guys? Mag-sift muna tayo ng flour, cornstarch, at baking powder. Okay? Guys, na-sift na natin yung flour, cornstarch, and baking powder. Maglagay tayo ng magic sarap. Magic sarap. And the onion powder. Onion powder. Yan guys. And the paprika powder. Okay. And the cayenne powder. Halo-haloin natin yan guys muna ha. And then maglagay tayo ng ice water. Konting ice water. Dapat talaga guys ice water ha. Ngayon kung wala naman kayong ice water, maglagay kayo ng piece of ice. Okay? Guys, pagtapos nating ma-sift yung all-purpose flour, cornstarch, at saka baking powder, i-dip natin itong mga pork lomo. Guys, ha? I-dip and then ipa-fry natin yan, ha? Just like this. Oh, guys, oh. Dip, dip, dip. And then i-coat natin yan. Coat. Coat. Dapat maglilinis kayo ng kamay, ha? Hugas na mabuti ng kamay. Okay, guys? Coat muna natin mabuti. Ayan. And then, ayan. Ano natin yung excess na, And then, ayan. I-fry. Ayan, guys. Okay? Okay. Repeat nyo lang yung procedure hanggang sa makatapos kayo. Okay, guys? Ayan. Okay. Okay, guys. Oh. There you go. Okay, guys, ha? Then, ano nyo sa kabilang side, ha? Okay, guys. Ayan, guys. O, diba? Oh. The other side naman, guys. See? Yan. Alam nyo, guys, itong lomo. Itong pinaka-malambot, madaling lutuin na parte ng baboy. Madaling siyang maluto. Guys, diba? Matapos wala pa siyang taba. Special lomo. Lean meat, kung tawagin. Yan, guys. So, yan. Parte ng plato. Para talagang lutong-luto. Okay guys, yan. Yummy yan talaga guys. Promise. Okay guys, luto na to. Luto na to guys. Oh, see? Yehey! Itong pork lomo guys, must try to na lutuin. Perfect to guys para sa mga pambaon, na mga kidos nyo, na mga honeybee ninyo, pang lunch, pang dinner, pang lahat guys. Kaya i-try nyo. Masarap talaga yan siya. Kasi hindi pa siya matagal lutuin. Must try. Okay guys? Luto na to. Diba? Tapos i-repeat lang natin yung mga procedure. Kung gusto nyo i-double fry, after mga 5 minutes, i-double fry nyo siya guys. Ha? Para talagang crispy siya inside and out. Diba guys? It's yummy, yummy, yummy. Must try food. Perfect for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, sa mga baon na mga kiddos nyo, mga asawa nyo. Perfect, perfect. Okay guys? Good morning guys. Good morning sa lahat. I love you all. May God bless us all. Love, love, love. Peace, peace, peace. Heart, heart, heart. Good morning. Guys, luto na yung aking special lomo. Yan na guys, luto na yung aking special lomo. Let's have breakfast. Love, 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 love guys. Ingat kayo palagi. May we all have a wonderful Tuesday. Day to all of us. Bye bye.